and welcome to the news on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. First, a quick look at the headlines. Federal government stops VAT on diesel, cooking gas. NANS kicks against 50,000 naira certificate fee. CAF Chan 2024 draw holds October 9th. And now full details of the news. The federal government has announced the provision of new tax reliefs for deep offshore oil and gas production to boost investment in the sector. It also announced that the importation of key energy products and infrastructure, including diesel, feed gas, liquefied petroleum gas, compressed natural gas, electric vehicles, liquefied natural gas infrastructure, and clean cooking equipment will no longer require value-added tax payments. The Minister of Finance and the Coordinating Minister of the Economy, Wale Edun, announced this in a statement on Wednesday. The statement, signed by the Director of Information and Public Relations, Mohammed Manga, said the initiative will position Nigeria's deep offshore basin as a premier destination for global oil and gas investments, bolster energy security, and accelerate Nigeria's transition to cleaner energy sources. The National Leadership of the Academic Staff Union of Universities, ASU, is expected to meet today, Thursday, in the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, Abuja. The meeting is coming after a series of pre-strike notice issued to the federal government by the union over the inability of the government to fulfill previous promises. It can be recalled that ASU on September 24th issued the federal government a 14-day strike notice with a vow to shut down the nation's universities if the outstanding grievances were not addressed. The 14-day ultimatum followed a previous 21-day notice issued by the union on August 18th, demanding that the government should address their demands. At the meeting today, ASU is expected to deliver a State of the Nation address. The National Association of Nigerian Students has rejected the 50,000 naira fee imposed by the National Examination Council for the reprinting of certificates. According to reports, the new policy was announced in a statement by Dantani Woshishi, the registrar of NECO in Minna, Niger State. According to the statement, the 50,000 naira fee for certificate reproduction is subject to periodic review, and the reprint request will only be approved within 1 year of the original certificate issuance. However, the NANS clerk of the Senate, Comrade Abduyakin Odunayo, in a statement described the decision as outrageous and a commercialization of education. And now we dive into the world of sports. The Total Energies CAF African Nations Championship 2024 qualifier draw has been scheduled to hold on Wednesday, 9th October 2024 in Cairo, Egypt. Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania will host the tournament from February 1st to 28th, 2025. The first round of qualifiers will be played on the weekend 25th to 27th October and 1st to 3rd November 2024. The second round confirmed for 20th to 22nd December and 27th to 29th December 2024. CAF pledged to communicate details and procedures for the draw soon. Up next is the entertainment news. Veteran Hollywood actor John Amos, celebrated for his iconic role in Coming to America and the popular 1970s sitcom Good Times, has passed away at the age of 84. Amos died of natural causes on August 21st, according to a statement released by his son, Kelly Christopher Amos, on Tuesday. In his tribute, Kelly expressed deep sorrow over his father's passing, highlighting the actor's generous spirit and the profound impact he had on fans worldwide. And with that, we end the news today on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Procyon RTV. Also, to get the latest news, visit our website at www.procyonnews.com. gmail.com. On behalf of the production crew, thank you for staying with us, and don't forget to keep shining like the star you are.